In this video, I'll show you how to lift off. So, the lift off moves the hoop from your waist to over your head. There are a couple variations of this move, but the version I use is when my hand is placed inside of the hoop with the fingers towards the earth. I know a close friend who grabs the outside of the hoop for this move, but I prefer to lift off with this hand positioning like this. Alright, let's get into it. Begin waist hooping in the counterclockwise direction or towards your left. If you need help learning this, check out my tutorial linked below. Next, place your hand inside of the hoop, fingers towards the earth, and feel the hoop rotate around your body and over your hand. When you feel ready, you will guide the hoop above your head. Here I'll break down the first part of the move. I close my hand around the hoop like this, then rotate my arm in a counterclockwise direction and lift the hoop concurrently. Let's go over that again. Remember, you are not only rotating your arm in a counterclockwise direction, but also lifting the hoop up from your torso to overhead. As you lift and rotate the hoop, there is a grip change, or where the hoop sits on your hand switches. Here's a slowed view from the top showing all of the components of the move combined. For me, the grip change occurs during the first rotation of the hoop while it's in lasso. Here's a slowed view from the back. Try it a few times, and for a cleaner look to the move, use a softer grip when you grab the hoop. And here's one more view from the top. Since we've learned the lift off with our right hand, let's try it with our left hand. Begin hula hooping in the clockwise direction or towards your right. Ooh, as you can see, this is definitely not my natural current. Maybe I should revisit that waist hooping tutorial. Anyway, the breakdown of the move is the same as with the right hand. Place your left hand inside of the hoop, grab the hoop, and move your arm in a clockwise direction while lifting the hoop from your waist to lasso above your head. There is a grip change, or the way the hoop spins about the hand changes once in lasso. You are grabbing the hoop and rotating your arm both up and in a clockwise direction to move the hoop from your waist to above your head. And here's the move in real time, with T-Rex arms and all. The liftoff is a great trick to get out of waist hooping and is a precursor to learning the vortex and pizza toss. Speaking of vortex and pizza toss, here are two transitions using the liftoff. The first is to move from waist hooping into, yep, you guessed it, a vortex. The next is to move from waist hooping into, yep, you guessed it again, a pizza toss. I filmed a tutorial for both of these moves and will link them below. Both moves I learned for the first time with my non-dominant hand, just for the tutorial, so here's to being a forever student. Thanks for watching.